started taking the stairs off because they're engineered. So you see I have that one and that one, and I'm taking that. They have wallpaper taped to them, so I'm taking them off, and I am also painting the bottom of the cabinet, but I am painting them white. Needs a second coat, obviously. And then the top part, this part, we're gonna stain them black, so they'll be black and white, and we'll stain this black, and we'll probably paint this black. But the stairs, like this yellow color, is gonna end up getting painted white, or like the same gray that they have in here. So. See that? The white and the white, that is how it looked once I get all this wallpaper off, and then I have to go up the other set of stairs too, take all the wallpaper off, and then I need to get the gel stain for the top to paint them black, and then this will be black. But yeah, that's the idea. So another update, I got this cute little toddler couch from Home Goods. I was gonna get a white one off of Amazon that also came with the chase, but this one was cheaper and she really loved it in the store. She kept trying to sit on it, and it was easier for her to climb into, so we got this. But we are not even started on decorating this room. That is just another addition I wanted to start. Not start, but share. Good morning. This is the update on the stairs. So I ripped off the rest of the wallpaper. Unfortunately, I found that they didn't use a regular wood piece on that part, so I have to spackle that to be able to paint over it. And I also have to sand the top one because they use glue for that part of the wallpaper as well. The rest of them, they just taped up there. So, I don't know, it's kind of annoying, but I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the ones that I can and finish up these kitchen cabinets. All that dog hair. And that's probably why I couldn't get the smell out of the house.
Going crazy over me.
is like a whole week later since you saw me painting the black one. Yesterday I did finish up the black tops. We're still debating if we want to do the whole trim on the staircase black or just leave it as is. But the reason why I had to wait is because I had to go get some more supplies. So I got some gel stain, some rags, gloves. I needed more tape, and this so I can get in the corners, and stain pad. And I'm pretty sure, I feel like this is the wrong stain pad because I feel like I think this is for floors, and I think you're supposed to hook it up to like one of those stain, like kind of like a roller, but it's for the floor. But I'm gonna still try and use it anyway. Oh, and I got this in black, and then my liquid sandpaper. So I've already finished painting like all of it white pretty much. There is some like imperfections that was gonna drive me crazy, but it's all right. So I just finished sanding them a little bit to just get like some of the excess paint off, and I cleaned them. So now we're just gonna start the sanding and taping and all that process, and hopefully we can get this project done. If not tonight, then oh Lord, I'm recording. Okay, so starting right here, first thing I'm gonna do is tape these stairs back up. And if you hear it in the background, and if you're wondering where Kahari is, he is downstairs working on our bed. He's fixing our bed up because it broke during the move, because we're not getting a new one right now. So we went and got wood for that as well. And I have one nail done, one hand done. Yeah. First set of stairs taped up because that's the only set I'm doing for right now. Now we're just gonna clean them and use the liquid sandpaper, and then we'll start the gel stain.
feel your hands all on my body, and I wrap my legs so tight you got me. Wanna feel the tingle down my spine. Oh, you know that's when I come alive. You with you, I come alive. You with you, I come alive.
Alright, y'all. First set done. Now I have to do this little walkway area and then those. Now we have to let this set for 8 to 10 hours. So I'm not even gonna bother pulling the tape off or anything like that. I did get a little paint like right there and some other places where you could see that I went over it with white paint already. And then I forgot that like we're painting all this white and the walls white. So I'm not even gonna bother, but we're gonna go ahead and take me a minute to get my groove with the gel stain because it's not like paint. And I was going with the directions and it said to put it up there, wait 3 minutes and wipe the excess off, but I think I might have the wrong cloths for that. So I started going just very, very thinly with the gel stain so that there's not a lot to wipe off. And if I see like some extra spots or whatever, then I'll go wipe them off. But for some reason when I started wiping them off, it was just making it streaky, which it is probably what it's supposed to look like since it is a stain, but I want this black. And I didn't use paint because I didn't want it to peel off with the laminate, so did what I had to do. And hopefully it comes out right, and hopefully it dries okay. Almost done. Just gotta paint that white and get rid of this yellow tomorrow. And I have to finish that last stain right there because it had the tape on it. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go in with like my little tiny paintbrush and get some detailing done because my hand kept jerking once I got tired. So I got a little bit on the white, but that's all right. So we will continue this in the morning. Bring the big way out. All right, y'all. So I feel like this video has been long enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through the process of me painting these walls white and painting the hallway white. So that we can go ahead and get this project done and move on to the next project because I'm over this. So we're just gonna do that.
Girl, you're beautiful. I hope you know that. I hope you know that. You could rule the world. Where's your mind at? Where's your mind at?
All right, y'all, that's the stairs. All of the stairs, even the second row is finished. I'm just painting the walls. I'm still painting those walls up there, trying to get rid of the white, but the stairs are complete and that's all that matters to me right now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all in our next video.